So the analysis of this bonus case dry cough, constant cough, paroxysmal cough. So I took rubric first ailments from Sweets aggravation, cough makes him cough exhausting, paroxysmal consists of long cough dry in evening and night, larynx itching, cough paroxysmal, air open aggravation, eating after aggravation, weather warm wet aggravation, lying head high with head amelioration, gagging coughing from chest pain burning coughing during, and cough brushing teeth aggravation. So I got two remedies, Carbovage and Sepia, but Sepia do not cover ailments from sweets and long cough does not. So I gave Carbovage 30 every 2 hoursly and patient ameliorated in 2 days. Here how we analyze the case. First I took ailments from second main complaint, third his sensation, fourth modalities, fifth concomitant, and finally differentiate remedies by direct question. Whenever we do not get perfect remedy in a concomitant, so we can ask a direct question to confirm our remedy.